We're going to start by looking at our main file and some basic skills. For everyone, they can benefit from the updates. The first site we're talking about is this one, through which we installed a new Windows and want to download some programs. So instead of downloading each program one by one, we can benefit from downloading these programs all at once. For example, I will also send the readings to you to share what you might want to work on during the session. Also, at the end of the session, I will send you this file on the WhatsApp group so you can take a look at it. So now we will try this site. As you can see, this site, we installed a new Windows to download some programs. Rather than downloading each individually, I can benefit from downloading these programs all at once. Let's close the QUU University page. For example, I'll send readings to share what you might want to work on with me during training. That would be great. Also, at the end of the session, I will send you this file on the WhatsApp group so you can take a look at it. I will send it to you upon request. So now we will try this site. This site is simply one where you can find some applications that some might need while others might not. I wanted to clarify. For instance, I downloaded a version of Windows, and this version comes with its programs, but also and you can try it out. At session end, I will send you this file on the WhatsApp group. I will send it to you. So now we will try this site. This site simply allows you to access some applications that some might need while others might not. E.g., I downloaded a version of Windows, and this version comes with its programs. However, we can choose Chrome, or you might select the Opera, Firefox, or Edge browser. It provides some applications. E.g., if I need to download Zoom or Skype, it categorizes them. These are the web browsers, and it classifies them here. This site lets you use applications that others need or not. I wanted to explain. I got Windows, and this version includes programs. Also, to clarify, if we pick Chrome, you might pick Opera, Firefox, or Edge. It offers apps. If I need to get Zoom or Skype or Play Media, it sorts them. These are web browsers and lists them. Social media apps like Zoom, and there's VLC for media. If I want to get a compression tool like WinRAR, we can pick WinRAR. There are applications you can see here. Can we explain to you that we will choose Chrome? You will choose, for example, Opera, Firefox, or Edge. It provides some applications. For example, I need to download Zoom for Skype. For example, I need to play media. Of course, it classifies, meaning that these are browsers. The web browser classifies here, of course, social media apps like Zoom, and for media, VLC plays. For file compression, choose WinRAR. Some apps might benefit some. In the end, there's LibreOffice. We'll clarify how to edit PDFs, even in Arabic. After finishing, follow the steps. Choose an app that suits you and click Get Your 9net. These apps work on Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7. This might benefit some people, but we have a well-known program called LibreOffice. We'll clarify how to use it to edit PDF files, even in Arabic, during the session. After finishing, come here to know the steps. Choose any application that suits you and click Get Your 9net. It shows these applications work on Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7. When you click Get Your Internet, wait a few seconds, and it will download to your device in the Downloads folder. Open the Downloads folder to see the program name, indicating you've downloaded Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Opera, Skype, and the selected tools or applications. After, check the steps. You choose any application that suits you and click Get Your 9net. These applications work on Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7, including latest. Click Get Your Internet. Wait, it downloads to Downloads. Open Downloads to see Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Opera, Skype, and selected tools. Next, double-click and say Yes. Choose Yes, Yes, or Next until installed and available. Simple process. When you click Get Your Internet, you wait seconds, and it will download to your device in the Downloads folder. If you open the Downloads folder, you'll see the program name indicating you have downloaded Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Opera, Skype, and the tools you selected. So what can you do next? You click on them with the mouse and double-click, right? Then you say Yes. You choose Yes here, Yes, Yes, or Next, Next, until these applications are installed on your device. This is regarding the first application or the first site that you can benefit from. Now let's talk about the second site. So what can you do next? You click on it with the mouse and double click, right? Then what do? You start saying yes. You choose yes here, yes, yes, or next, next, until you find that these applications have been installed on your device and are now available on your computer. This is a simple process, and there was something in the chat. So that's regarding the first application or the first site that you can benefit from. Now, let's talk about the second site we're going to discuss. This is a site that does something called paraphrasing or rephrasing articles in English. Of course, those of you who use messages or research papers often need to do some paraphrasing at times. So this site allows you to do that. I will also send you the link to the site, and you can try it out with me. This is a site here, and we will explore the site together. The site will open and we will download a text or paragraph you need to try, even from a file. Then tell it to start paraphrasing. For example, rephrase it, and it will suggest alternatives, changing words or synonyms, and highlighting changes. For instance, tool becomes device, and components becomes aspects. It rephrases and adjusts. And you come here, well, start the paraphrasing for this paragraph. I want it rephrased. We will click on it and it takes a little time. It tells you, okay, what am I doing? It will suggest alternatives for you. So here it started, suggesting synonyms and changes. It changes color to show changes. The word tool here was changed to device. The word components was changed instead of aspects. It rephrases and adjusts. If I dislike something, I say, well, let me start again, and it paraphrases again and suggests a new. This is also part of the. It started suggesting, and here, if you can see, it brings some words or synonyms and changes them. It also changes the color to show you the changes it made. For example, the word tool here was changed to device. Similarly, the word components was also changed. Instead of aspects, it brought components. So it is doing the rephrasing process and making adjustments. And then it changes and suggests to you, if I don't like something, what should I do? I can just start again, and it will do the paraphrasing for you once more and suggest something else. This is also part of the websites that can benefit you and help you in the paraphrasing process. And then it changes and suggests to you, if I don't like something, what should I do? I can just start again, and it will do the paraphrasing for me once more and suggest something else. This is also part of the websites that can benefit you and help you in the paraphrasing process. All right. And of course, you can click on the websites that can also benefit you and help you in the paraphrasing process. All right. And of course, you click on the word. As you can see, I just clicked on the word quickly, and it tells you that the original word was soon, and I changed it to quickly. If you want to add a specific word and use it, you can add it. I can write any other word and say use, and you can add it here as well. And in the end, you can take this text and copy it, and it will be your new text. This is also one of the sites that use the paraphrasing part. So, okay. Dr. Manal also says that Quillbot is one of the good programs for paraphrasing. And as you can see, you can also try it out. We thank Dr. Manal for her contribution. There are many programs, but I wanted to focus on this one so that you can see all the programs. As you can see, the one called Quillbot is for paraphrasing. All right, also there's the word counter if you want to count the words or something, just like in Word. Let's bring a text like this and put the text here, and you can get. All right, also there's the counter, available if you want to count the words or something, just like in Word. Let's bring a text like this and put the text here for analysis. You can use the counter to tally up the number of words or characters similar to the feature available in Word. Let's take a text like this and place it here for further examination. And it can provide you with and the characters and the characters and the characters and the character. It can provide you with the number of words and characters right away. Simply, this is regarding the rewriter tools, the site that is used for this part. Now, file translation. It translates many languages, including Arabic and English. We tested it and explained in previous sessions. Colleagues specializing in English found the performance and translations very good. English specialists can provide translation insights. We will bring the site for you to try. Using the site is simple. Open it and click the translator. So we tried most of the sites and we explained them in previous sessions. We had some colleagues who specialize in English, and they told us that when they tried these sites during the meeting, they found that the performance was very good and the translations were accurate. So now if we have colleagues who specialize in English, they can also provide us with insights. And regarding translation, we will also bring the site for you so you can try it out. The way to use the site is simple. You open the site and you have the translator right here. And you click on it. And then it will open this page for you. So when we open the site, we need to click on the translator here. All right.